Alright guys, today we're going to learn how to drink. But no, for real, we're going to fucking put together. Oh my god, that's a mess. A 3D printed chessboard. And here is the locking mechanisms. This is how we're actually going to connect the board to itself. The first step is to remove the base material. I use a brim to help with adhesion. Comes off pretty easily. So that's one piece right there. There's another piece. And this is definitely going to take some time, so I'm probably going to speed up this part of the video. Alright, so we got all the base removed, but I noticed that I had two of them that have some issues. This one's not that bad, but this one right here definitely had more of a catastrophic failure. It'll still work for what we're doing today, but in the future I will definitely replace this. The next thing to do is to sort them into the pieces they are. If you look here, there's 1, 2, 3 tabs, so this is a corner piece. This is a corner piece, and we'll just go through all our pieces until we have all our corners, middle, and edges together. So that has 2, so that's an edge piece. This has 4, so that is middle piece, and we'll go through the entire bundle until everything's sorted. Now that we have our 4 piles, we'll start with our corners. We'll take a drink, and then we'll start with the edges. Of course, if you know anything about chess, it goes black, white, black, white, black, white. We're going to do 8, 8, 8, and 8. And I've already forgotten what piles are what, but that's okay. Let's see. That's 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe it's 8 by 7. Alright. Alright, so I can't count, and that's 8. So that's fucking perfect. I'm just retarded. Now we're going to go here. Our side pieces. That's a corner. Boom, boom. Take another edge piece. Boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means we need one more black edge and one more white edge. Kind of starting to feel as though we might not have enough. I am doubting myself. I could do the math and figure it out, but 2, 4, 6. I'm not gonna do that because I'm not a nerd. and it looks like we are good. I just like to guess myself a lot. The more you watch, the more you realize I second guess myself all the time. Alright, perfect. That's a perfect square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Just ignore that. Money. That was perfect. The whole time. We'll just have to tweak it a little bit. Bada bing, bada boom. Perfect square. And now I'll fill in the insides. Alright, so the last thing to do is to drop in the last piece. And that's our board. So all we have to do now is take 112 of these lock rings. And we just gotta go through. And we have to click them on to each and every joint. And that's it. Alright, so here's the last piece right here. Give it a couple taps. And that's it. All you gotta do now is flip the board over. We're done. Came out pretty good. I've noticed it does have a little warpage. I don't know if that's due to the print itself or if it's due to the connectors. But at some point I'll most likely put this on a nice wood board. And all you gotta do now is set up for a game of chess. Right, and here's the finished product. Besides the fact that the board likes to pop up a little bit, I think it might be due to the force exerted on each piece, so it might be curving up a little bit. What I'll probably do is either cut out an exact piece of cardboard and glue it on like that, or I might get a nice piece of wood and then glue it onto the wood to make it a nice board. But otherwise it came out pretty well, and I think I deserve a drink for that. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you'd like to see in the future.